Thanks to its show-stopping combo of great looks and lively performance, Corolla Hatchback is a tough act to beat in compact enthusiast cars. Throw in tons of useful convenience, an extensive safety suite, and some remarkable utility and efficiency, and the reasons for its success are obvious. For 2023, Corolla Hatchback pushes the bar higher than ever, with important updates across the board, including refreshed styling, 2 new paint colors, and state-of-the-art tech updates. Corolla Hatchback's lineup is also more streamlined than ever, offering 2 well-equipped grades, SE and XSE. The thing that hasn't changed? Corolla Hatchback is still a blast to drive. So let's see how the new and improved Corolla Hatchback is as fun as ever behind the wheel. Corolla Hatchback's aggressive good looks tell the whole story. This is a hatchback that's about fun, whether on the commute or over the weekend. Its McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension allows each wheel to react quickly and fully independently, maximizing the fun factor. Corolla Hatchback's 2-liter dynamic force engine gives a punching 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, while at the same time staying seriously thrifty at the pump, with up to an EPA-estimated combined rating of 35 mpg. Corolla Hatchback's dynamic shift continuously variable transmission includes a sport drive mode, paddle shifters with 10 preset ratios, and an innovative launch gear design with a physical first gear to achieve better feel and acceleration. What's more, standard active cornering assist keeps the tires connected to the pavement during spirited cornering thanks to its high-tech electronics. There's no question, Corolla Hatchback checks all the right boxes when it comes to fun behind the wheel. Corolla Hatchback has the aggressive looks to back up its fun-to-drive character, and it gets even better for 2023. A refreshed front grille and rear bumper give Corolla Hatchback a look that's bolder than ever. And if that weren't enough, Blue Crush Metallic and Inferno join the color palette, while an available black metallic roof brings a 2-tone flare for even more personality. Regardless of color, Corolla Hatchback is easy to spot thanks to its distinctive headlight design derived from its bigger brother, the GR Corolla. And SXZ kicks it up another notch with standard LED fog lights. This top-tier grade also offers chrome-accented fog light bezels, as well as large 18-inch graphite-colored wheels for that confident look. Corolla Hatchback features future-forward styling that carries over to the interior too. A combination of high-gloss and matte surfaces make for a sporting, refined space that sets the stage for everyone inside. These premium touches include things like a leather-trimmed steering wheel and an emphasis on soft-touch materials throughout. When jumping to the XSE grade, standard higher-end features like combination Softex trim and fabric upholstery make an appearance. XSE also has standard power driver and heated front seats, and a cutting-edge instrument panel with a standard 7-inch fully digital gauge cluster. This roomy interior offers plenty of space for both front and rear passengers, and cargo, especially when its 60/40 split rear seats are folded flat. Corolla Hatchback offers a full array of state-of-the-art technology that gets better for 2023. Its next-generation 8-inch touchscreen Toyota audio multimedia system is now standard for all models and includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to subscription-based services like Apple Music, as well as Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And of course, Corolla Hatchback's audio system is ready and able to make the most out of all that tech. Case in point, XSE's available top-shelf 800-watt 8-speaker JBL premium audio system. And Corolla Hatchback's multimedia systems also featured trials to Toyota's available connected services, including Remote Connect, Safety Connect, Service Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. And on XSE, there's also a trial to the all-new Drive Connect, which offers cloud navigation, destination assist, and intelligent assistant functionality. The feature is also capable on Corolla Hatchback SE with a subscription. Besides entertainment and connectivity, Corolla Hatchback throws in upscale convenience features like Smart Key with push-button start and electric parking brake with brake hold, as well as available amenities like dual-zone automatic climate control and Qi-compatible wireless smartphone charging. Finally, the available blind spot monitor system comes complete with rear cross-traffic alert to help alert drivers to vehicles passing on either side while backing out of a parking space. Corolla Hatchback puts as much of a premium on safety as it does on its fun character. For 2023, every Corolla Hatchback now comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which takes last year's loaded system to an even higher level, enhancing systems like its pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which is also capable of detecting bicyclists and motorcyclists in certain circumstances. TSS 3.0 also includes lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, which keeps the vehicle centered in its lane while dynamic radar cruise control is operating, road sign assist, which can recognize and display select road signs on the instrument panel, and automatic high beams. Additionally, the all-new proactive driving assist feature offers gentle brake or steering support in certain conditions. What's more, Corolla Hatchback is packed with 10 airbags throughout the cabin, including 2 rear seat-mounted side airbags for even more peace of mind. With its updated tech, performance-focused chassis and drivetrain, and upgraded safety suite, Corolla Hatchback is still the enthusiast choice. More than that, it's a Toyota, and that means an unrivaled reputation for value, legendary reliability, and quality. There's also premium ownership perks like the Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance. Add it all up, and it's easy to see that Corolla Hatchback is better than ever for the 2023 model year. Visit toyota.com/Corolla Hatchback to learn more.